This video explains how to buy shares of Biomea Fusion Inc., ticker BMEA, listed on NASDAQ, and gives a basic overview of the company as a clinical stage biopharmaceutical firm. This is an educational guide only and not financial advice. Always do your own research. To trade BMEA, you need a broker account. We'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading a government ID, and add funds before you can place orders. Open the platform search bar and type the ticker BMEA to locate the Biomea Fusion Inc. listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ entry that matches the company name before proceeding. On the stock page, check basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct Biomea Fusion Inc. listing. Verify the ticker BMEA and the exchange before preparing an order. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After confirmation, the BMEA position will appear in your portfolio view. For the example platform link, see the description below.